Hello and welcome to another video of Vices. Today we dive into the mesmerizing world of Midjourney's parameters, repeat, seeds, style, and stylize. Get ready to embark on a 5-minute adventure into an artistic realm like no other. Step into a world where your creativity knows no limits. Join us as we unravel the power of Midjourney's parameters, repeat, seeds, style, and stylize, a journey that ignites your imagination. Let's start with repeat. Imagine a symphony of creativity where your ideas evolve through repetition. Make the repeat parameter a dynamic tool that elevates your creative exploration to a new dimension. Crafted to match your creative aspirations, Repeat accepts values from 2 to 4 for basic subscribers, 2 to 10 for standard subscribers, and a staggering 2 to 40 for pro and mega subscribers. Experience the magic as Repeat synergizes with parameters like chaos, intensifying your visual adventure. Prepare for a rapid paced exploration where the fabric of your imagination takes shape. Now, let's explore the fascinating world of seed numbers where randomness meets creativity. Seed numbers, the foundation of your creative journey, sparking the inception of imagination. Experience the balance between controlled chaos and structured creation through the dynamic seed parameter, with the power to influence your journey using whole numbers from 0 to 4294967295. The dash seed parameter ignites your creative spark. Witness the symphony of consistency. Identical seed values crafting harmonious composition, color, and details. From version 1 to version 5 and beyond, your seed values orchestrate the visual narrative, crafting a unique canvas for every session. Transitioning to style, we invite you to explore the magic of finding your artistic journey. Discover the power to transform your creations, adding depth, realism, and unique aesthetics. Enter the enchanting world of the style parameter, your key to unlocking Midjourney's artistic versatility. Depending on the model version, choose styles that tailor your artistry, from raw control to captivating aesthetics. Journey into the realms of model versions 5.1 and 5.2, where style refinement takes center stage. Embrace the creative evolution as even a single parameter reshapes your artistic narrative. Venturing into model version 5 and EG5, discover unique looks with the style parameter. From cute characters to expressive illustrations, your artistic journey takes on new dimensions. And now, it's time for Stylize, the parameter that breathes life into your creations. Embrace a world where color, composition, and forms intertwine, driven by the dynamic Stylize parameter. From subtle resemblance to artistic flair, low to high stylization values redefine your visual narrative. Journey through different model versions, witnessing the evolution of your creative expression. With every stroke of the Stylize parameter, your creations transform, from model version 5.1 to 5.2 and EG5. Ready to reshape your creative path? Simply add dash stylize value to your prompt and embrace the power of style. From low to very high, the dynamic essence of style propels your artistic journey forward. Enter the realm of Midjourney's parameters and witness your imagination come alive. Ignite your creativity at Midjourney's portal and let the parameters of repeat, seed, style, and stylize shape your artistic destiny. Unleash your creativity at Midjourney and experience the infinite possibilities that Midjourney's parameters offer. Thanks for watching and see you next time.